बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। टुडे वी हैव अ लेक्चर ऑन फेमरल आर्टरी। ठीक है, इट इज़ द चीफ सप्लाई ऑफ द लोअर लिम्ब। ठीक है, सो फेमरल आर्टरी हम इसके ओरिजिन की बात करेंगे, आज कोर्स एंड ब्रांचेस की बात करेंगे। ठीक है, सो स्टार्टिंग विद द ओरिजिन, इट इज़ अ कॉन्टिन्यूशन ऑफ द एक्सटर्नल आइलेक आर्टरी। ठीक है, इट बिगिन बिहाइंड द इंग्वाइनल लिगामेंट। दिस इज अवर इंग्वाइनल लिगामेंट, सो दिस इज अवर फेमरल आर्टरी। ठीक है, फेमरल आर्टरी का ओरिजिन क्या है? एक्सटर्नल आइलेक आर्टरी। ठीक है, एंड देन इट मूव्स डाउनवर्ड्स एंड मीडियली, फर्स्ट इन द फेमरल ट्राइंगल and then in the adductor canal. ठीक है, and then at the lower end of adductor canal, that is at the junction of middle and lower third of thigh, it passes through an opening or hiatus. ठीक है, in the adductor magnus to become continuous posteriorly with the popliteal artery. ठीक है, उसके बाद ये posteriorly popliteal artery के साथ continuous हो जाएगी. Then it gives some branches, 3 are superficial and 3 are deep. So starting with the superficial branches, so superficial branches are superficial epigastric artery. ठीक है, then superficial circumflex iliac artery and superficial external pudendal. Then 3 are its deep branches, which are deep external pudendal, profunda femoris artery, very important and very largest branch of femoral artery. And then we have some muscular branches. So we will study profunda femoris. Profunda femoris is the largest branch of the femoral artery. So it begins as from the lateral side of femoral artery. I am going to show it on a diagram. ठीक है, this is our profunda femoris which originate from femoral artery. ठीक है, and it is the largest branch and it arise from the lateral side of femoral artery. Then it passes posteriorly. ठीक है, and then it leaves the femoral triangle by passing deep to the adductor longus. It passes continuous downward between the muscles. At first it passes between adductor longus and adductor brevis, and then between adductor longus and adductor magnus. Finally it pierces the adductor magnus and then it anastomoses with the upper muscular branches of popliteal artery. So its branches are medial circumflex femoral and lateral circumflex femoral, and कुछ आपकी जो सी इसकी कौन सी branches आ जाती हैं? Perforating branches. So this is all about our femoral artery, very important from exam point of view. Okay, thank you for watching. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.